Hello guys, welcome to EK Nails Club. Here we have an easy homemade personal nails you can make for yourself as a beginner and also as a nail artist. It's going to take just a few minutes of your time and you're going to see how easy it is to make this beautiful nail.
Yes guys, join us to make this easy and simple gel nail for yourself or for your clients if they are in hurry or they want just simple nail like this. I'm using these long almond shaped nails, guys. You can use any one you have at home. My baby is going to explain for you guys step by step, so follow us while I'm making it.
For this type of nails, we don't need to file the body, we just need to file only the tips to make it smooth. Now the nails are ready. So for beginners, the first step is to apply the base coat. Okay, now we are applying the base coat for all the nails. To avoid having thick sides, turn the nails upside down and then bake it for 60 seconds.
Now it's time to apply the main color. I'm applying this red color. You can apply any color you want. You can apply it from up to down and then down to up in case there is air bubble so you can remove them like this. And then remember, anytime you apply your gel, your top coat, your base coat, you have to take the nails upside down and to avoid having thick sides. And then we bake it for 99 seconds. For red color, black color and white color, we have to bake it longer.
We bake it longer because it gets dry late, so we have to bake it for 99 seconds. Now we are applying the second layer of the main color to make the nail look whole, and also don't forget to put the nails upside down so to avoid the thick sides. Here is my disco gel. I'm going to be applying the disco gel. I'm going to be using silver for today. You can use any color you want. So after this, the nails is baked, we are going to be using our disco gel and we're putting it around the nails. Now we're going to be putting our disco gel by the side and using this tiny brush to place it around the nail. So you just make it like a straight line. Yeah, just like a straight line, and then you curve it out through the tips and also the sides of the nail. You make it so carefully so it does not go under the nail. Okay, so be careful with it, just a moment, and yeah, just like that, and you do other nails. And after you're done, you know what to do. You put it downwards and also you bake it for some few seconds. Now we are done with the nails and I've baked it for 99 seconds, and we are applying the top coat on it for waterproof for it to last longer.